Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are diving into the legacy of one of the most iconic custom cars of all time. Meet the Hirohata Mercury Custom, which is also known as Hirohata Merc. It was built in 1953 by the legendary George and Sam Barris. It only took 97 days to create this award winning and trend setting custom 1951 Mercury, which was modified from bumper to bumper. It was one of the most ever custom built and was transformed into a masterpiece that captured the imagination of the car lovers everywhere. Fast forward to 2024, the Hot Wheels has paid homage to this classic car with their latest release in the Rod Squad series. But before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As it comes 1:64 scale model which capture every detail of the original from the silver side trim to the fender badges and the headlights. And it comes in a stunning seafoam green color which is impressive. The Hot Wheel Hirohata Merc isn't just a diecast car, it's a tribute to a car that had an intense impact on the custom car. And it represents the same creativity and passion that inspired the original build. So if you're a collector or a car enthusiast, the 2024 Hot Wheels Hirohata Merc is a must-have. So that's all for today. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.